How to fix Cloudflare Proxy error in Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your Shopify, then open up the settings. In the settings, simply select the option of domains. And here you get all the domains that you are connected to. Simply open up the domains, and when you open up any particular domain, you would be able to find that some of them are managed by Cloudflare. In order to fix them, you would have to open up Cloudflare's official website, then log into your account of Cloudflare. You can use your Google account as well in order to do so, and make sure that you are using the same Cloudflare account that you are connected to with the Shopify. After that, open up the records on your Cloudflare and check out which one is causing the problem, and right beside it you would be able to find the option of edit. Simply edit that particular proxy in order to solve the error, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.